Abanyanyimbo korwase chinsemo chia kenyanyani go bachakire botuki kubwatekana negekora ky'umuriro oyo nyalita ko bago kubwata edomu y'abana gusichi nyumba cy'uburaro chia abana banyaruka b'eskuru ya Riokindo obotuko bogokira rero chinyumba ekyo chiboreti abana chimisano nigo cyanyalita ko bachikubwata omuriro litkurigoro abwase aborokigwa bake banyorete chinkoma abwase bagendete kurwaligwa ase enyagitari ya kenyenya umuriro oyo nige gotebekana buna obete kogokorekana kubwatekana n'omochando bw'echinguru cy'omuriro.
Mimi ni chairman wa Riokindo Girls Secondary School. Yesterday we had an incident of fire in one of the dormitories. Fortunately, there was no fatality. We have been having our board meetings this morning to assess the damages. The rest of the things we have put them to the arm of the government to investigate the cause of the fire. So far the 300 students were affected. We had 20 of them who were taken to hospital for hysteria to manage them, but they are now in good condition. That's what we are doing now. The board has started since morning to see how we can be able to return the institution to normalcy.
Jina langu ni James Nyamembo Uchwangi. Mimi ni mwenyekiti wa ujenzi wa shule. Wakati tulipata hii report jana, tulimiminika hapa tukapata ya kwamba wanafunzi vitu vyao kama mattress, sanduku, personal effects were burned. But so far nobody was injured. We thank God for that. The parents have come and we have assured them the school will continue as normal. The students should be retained in school until we close.